here we go.
I will give you $7,000 if it starts.
Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Come on.
Take this in sequence. Oh no. Welcome back to turn 5. This is gonna be a doozy.
Why so?
Well, the old Miata, I think this year we've said that it's been a little neglected. So I pulled it out. When's the last time we drove it? 6 weeks ago? Maybe?
Probably.
I figure in line with our 0 to 60 times, I think besides the Jeep, this is the last majestic unicorn that has to be done.
I agree, 100%.
I'm not too optimistic about the starting because the battery's been getting bad. So before I even try it, I'm gonna need you all to take a deep breath, think great thoughts, and cross your fingers.
Fingers are crossed, and here we go.
I will give you $7,000 if it starts.
Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Come on.
Take this in sequence. Oh no. Okay. Oh, perfect.
Keep trying.
Nothing.
Keep trying. It's gonna
I'm
do
not
it
trying
eventually.
anymore.
I'll bump start it. I'll bump start it.
Here's some good news. I kind of knew that this was gonna happen, so I had bought a new battery, and that's why I was so confident with my $7,000 wager.
You almost were in for a doozy. I almost became
But I'm
7,000.
glad that now you owe me. So, new car coming to the channel. What can we buy for $7,000? Do you want to know how good of a mechanic we are here at Turn 5? How big your resume must be to work for us? Take a look at the tools.
You must know how to use every one of them.
No, what you got to do is you got to go into the toolbox that's nicely organized with all of the wrenches, and you just grab a pile of close sizes, and then you find the right one. So this one happens to be 10 millimeter. We got the battery in the trunk. You want to know why?
Why?
Because it's a freaking race car, that's why. Shall we see if it's a success?
Let's hope. Otherwise, we got bigger problems.
If it starts, you owe me $7,000.
Oh, I was getting really excited. I was like,
I am excited. $14,000. What are we buying, folks? Comment below. What do you say we get this thing a little repping to go at 0 to 60? I'm so excited from racing last week. I can't get it out of my blood.
you are something else today.
Look at the racing lights too.
The racing lights?
Don't look at this one because we got a little bit of a problem. Watch, they're gonna fix that. I'm all about fixing things here at Turn 5, the Turn 5 garage. There.
See, now it's on. It was fixed just like that.
Perfect. Let's go 0 to 60.
We are approaching run number 1 in our 3 0 to 60 runs we will do in this video.
I know how these previous ones have gone. I'm driving, dealer's choice. Nobody ever said that the road has to be completely flat. We have lost every 0 to 60 battle we have done. The 0 to 60 on this from 2002 is 7.8 seconds.
Okay.
I have a very good feeling that we might be able to beat it, mostly because of my driving prowess. Okay?
Yeah. All right, folks.
If the road does not look level, it is because your phone or your television is at an odd angle. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, baby! Click it! 50, 60! Oh!
We were boogieing.
I think we could have a new winner. I might have to drive on every single. I thought we were gonna get up to 60 before the stop sign. All right, you ready for round two?
Yeah, buddy.
Let's go back up the flat hill and go for round two. After the first run, I doubt that this car has lost any of its original around 140 horsepower.
You sure about that?
I'm positive.
You think we're beating that 0 to 60 from factory?
Round two on a completely level playing field. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Are you?
In 3, 2. Here's the problem. I can't let off the brake until I start going because it's too level. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah! Feel the power! Feel the burn! Let's go! It's Miata time! Short to 60!
Well, folks, round two was an
There was
interesting
a lot
one.
going on.
I clicked the record button because I was so confused as to the dynamic of this race car.
There was a bird flying overhead. The car started to roll for some reason because the road is completely level. So when I was giving it the beans, I made it start to roll forward. Clearly, this is a completely scientific test.
I don't believe you were only going 60 when you said 60. We were in 4th gear.
I think I got really excited and I short shifted a bit. so for the very scientific third go at things, it's going to be the best experience, and we are going to blow the original factory 7.8 seconds out of the water. And we might ruin a clutch.
Possibly.
As you've seen in the previous two tests, there is zero chance that this has lost any horsepower over the 20 years of its life.
If we burn out this clutch, we're gonna definitely have to do like a stage 3 clutch with a turbo kit, right?
Or it will just go back to sitting in the garage. Here we go, round 3. The tires are warm, the transmission is spicy, and I'm about to let a rip tater chip. I forgot I am way better at going around corners than I am at going in a straight line.
As shown in last week's video, you're really good at going around them corners.
I mean, we need to keep doing that. That was fun.
That was fun.
Okay, we're almost to the flat level of the road.
Yes, it's very flat up ahead. Don't mind the drop off to where you can't see the road anymore.
It's just your TV. I am going to rev her up again, and I'm going to concentrate on what I'm doing. Okay?
Me too.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Oh, that's a good launch. I mean, if you're faking it. Here we go. We're still in second. 6,050 miles an hour, and 60.
I would say that was your best one yet. Would you agree?
These brakes are awesome.
The brakes got a little warm over this experiment.
All right, and like we always like to do, I mean, we didn't break any speed limits there, but we should still skedaddle.
Yeah, if you're gonna do 0 to 60 runs, don't stay there for more than 3 runs.
I think this was the most scientifically, what's it called when you, like, when things don't change?
I don't know.
I don't know what I was gonna say, but that was fun. This was probably the most fun.
It was a very fun 0 to 60.
We didn't know if we're gonna make it to 60 before the stop sign.
We definitely did, but I did not expect it.
It's not that fast, so you have a lot of time to think.
Yep. You're not screwing up the gear shifts unless you're too in the moment.
I was starting to think about what to say, and then all of a sudden, oh shoot, I gotta remember, we're at 60 now. Because I had half of a sandwich and a cup of coffee. Let's take this back to the laboratory, see how we did, and see if we got even close to 7.8 seconds on a
very flat
surface.
Yes.
Back to the lab.
We'll see you when we get the results. You did good. Well, the car did good. Did you do good?
She continues to impress me.
Why?
I mean, with zero help from gravity, we got within 1 second of the factory 0 to 60 time 20 years later. That's more than you can say for any of the other cars that we have done. Therefore, the 2002 Mazda Miata is the greatest car that we own in the fleet. Fastest, most reliable.
Is it reliable? Every year we have to bleed a clutch.
I mean, you gotta bleed a little to know that you're live.
That is, I think there's other ways.
We hope that you enjoyed this absolute monstrosity of a 0 to 60 time. We had a lot of help from gravity, but we needed it because the first 2 runs.
Well,
your
short shifting run was the most entertaining.
I'm not a dragger. I am a racetrack guy. I mean, it's clearly evident. I just need to go put a helmet on and go around a track.
Yep.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Awkward high five. Make sure you click like. Make sure you
comment and subscribe.
Also, next week, we are going to review a car. What car is that car?
We have no idea yet, but the likelihood of it being cool is high because we only review cool cars.
We'll see you later.